A chemist needs to mix a 10% acid solution with a 60% acid solution to obtain 50 milliliters of a 30% acid solution. How many milliliters of each solution must be used? We have to write and solve a system of equations to answer this question. First, let's assign variables. Let x represent the number of milliliters of the 10% solution used, and let y represent the number of milliliters of the 60% solution used. Since the total amount is 50 milliliters, one equation is x plus y equals 50. Let's use the amounts of acid to write another equation. The amount of acid in the 10% solution is 10% of x, or 1/10 times x. The amount of acid in the 60% solution is 60% of y, or 6/10 times y. The sum of these amounts is the amount of acid in the resulting 30% solution, 30% of the 50 milliliters, or 3/10 times 50. 3/10 times 50 is 15. Since the first equation has coefficients of 1 for both variables, let's use the substitution method to solve this system. We could solve for either x or y. Let's solve the first equation for x. Subtract y from both sides to get x equals 50 minus y. Now use the second equation. Substitute the expression 50 minus y for x. Apply the distributive property to get 5 minus 1/10 y plus 6/10 y equals 15. Combine like terms. Negative 1/10 y plus 6/10 y equals 5/10 y, which is 1/2 y. Subtract 5 from both sides to get 1/2 y equals 10. Divide both sides by 1/2, which is the same as multiplying both sides by 2, so y equals 20. Now let's use the first equation, x plus y equals 50, to solve for x. Substitute 20 for y, then subtract 20 from both sides. 50 minus 20 is 30, so x equals 30. The chemist must use 30 milliliters of the 10% solution and 20 milliliters of the 60% solution.